Look up at the stars and not down at your feet. Try to make sense of what you see and wonder about what makes the universe exist. Hey guys, hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the formation of the stars. Star formation take millions and billions of years. Stars emit huge amount of light and stars take huge give out huge amount of light and formation takes place in the clouds containing hydrogen and helium atoms. These are quite stable and cold. But when, due to supernova explosions, means the last stage of the star when it explodes. Okay? When supernova explosion occurs, that releases a large amount of heat, a large amount of energy, which is carried by these clouds. What happens then? They were quite stable and cold. But what now happens is, due to this energy, the gravitational disturbances causes in them. And all the hydrogen and helium atoms which were splitted in there now came in the center and they fused together, and thus increasing the mass at the center, thereby increasing the gravity, means weight. The gravity attracted everything towards itself from its surrounding, and finally its mass increased and liberated a lot amount of heat. The heat they liberated extended up to such a quite extent that nuclear fusion took place. Hydrogen nuclei and hydrogen nuclei together formed to helium nucleus. This is known as nuclear fusion, the fusion of two nucleus. Then what happens? This phase is known as protostar, and the protostar even continues to attract more of the substances from its surrounding. And now what happens when the outside force, the liberation force, is equal to the gravitational force, when outward force equalizes inward force, then star formation takes place. Thank you. Bye bye.